good. You did a good job. Look inside. I like your car. You call it the New Yorker?
New Yorker St. Regis.
New York. Oh, so this is the original St. Regis.
Get in there and sit down.
I'm scared. No, it's too nice.
Sit down. And
It's.
you'll see how big it is.
Okay, this is my first time getting in a car. Oh, you are a New Yorker diva. Yes. Oh yeah, when you win this, St. Regis comes alive.
Gear shift is on the dash.
The gear shift is on the.
Gear.
This one? No.
Up on the dash. That lever.
This?
No. On the dash. This one right here.
Oh!
No park. It's just neutral drive.
Okay, you gotta. St. Regis. You gotta keep this for the next owner. They're coming any day. They're coming.
I figured it'd be you.
It looks too good for me to even sit inside. You did a good job.
What more could you want? Power steering, power brakes, power antenna.
Really? All right. Well, I loved it. You did a good job. Thank you for taking care of it. Like it still looked like it's in the showroom.
Yeah, so that's what happened.
Like it never even touched the road.
So underneath this is
Really?
oh yeah. See the wheel wells?
Okay.
But eventually start again.
Well, thank you for sharing your car. Angela. Jim.
Go ahead and polish the hood and the trunk. I mean the hood and the front fenders. I've never polished the rest of the car.
Thank you for all your details today.
Sure, go ahead. You want? You can open the door if you want. Or whatever. Get that police interceptor.
Okay, 1 second. All right, perfect. This is a bug. I'm out here with my friend who owns the bug.
My name is Howard. I live in Gardena, California. I've been coming to this car show since 2004 or 5. This is my Volkswagen 74 Volkswagen Super Beetle. It's let's see. It's got an 1835 cc engine, dual port heads, a 2-barrel carburetor, an Engel cam, headers, turbo muffler. It's got large tires in the back.
Okay, now what year is this again?
It's a 74 Volkswagen Super Beetle.
1974.
Yes. And this
Oh,
guy,
look at the windows.
Dano used to video this car show. He's dead now, unfortunately.
Oh,
Did you remember that?
I don't remember this gentleman at all.
He got killed he was videoing a drag race, and the car went off to the side and killed him.
Aww.
Yeah. And this is the camshaft that's in my car, an Engel cam.
Okay, wait, we're gonna stop. I'm gonna because it stands on its own. Let me get this light from over here. Hi. How you doing today? Good. Nice to see you. See, yours is clean. Huh?
Taking a lot of pictures?
Yes. A lot of pictures of cool cars I haven't seen. Let me see the trunk.
Holds 4 people.
Look how clean this is. And is this your entry? Look at this. Thank you for doing that, because I was looking for somebody and it's time.
My daughter, she came over. Oh, Dad, will you do my car? I said, yeah, here, take my car. I'll do your car.